Hello guys, okay, welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's a girl Beryl Kanyiko. So okay, my mom bought some fish. Here are they. I want to prepare them for dinner. Yeah, good to go. Let me open them. So here are the fish. Wow. Ooh. Hey, they are big. They are very big. Fish one. Where? Fish two. Our dinner is going to be delicious. Very delicious. And Chef Berry. Fish number three. Guys, okay, I want to deep fry my fish inside here. I have my frying pan. Here is it. Here is my cooking oil. Then my fish. So I'm waiting for the oil to cook up. Then I dip my fish.